Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn about dictionaries in Python. A dictionary is an unordered collection which stores key value pairs that map immutable keys to values, just as a conventional dictionary maps word to definitions. A dictionary associates keys with values, each key mapped to a specific value. Keys in dictionary must be unique. Uh, Dictionaries keys must be immutable, such as strings, numbers, or tuples, and unique. That means there must be no duplicates. Multiple keys can have the same values, such as two different inventory code that have the same quantity in stock. We can create a dictionary by enclosing in curly braces a comma separated list of key value pairs, each of the form key and value. We can create an empty dictionary with just curly braces. Let's create a dictionary, and first we are going to give a name. I will name our dictionary names and the curly braces, and we need a key value pair. Both are strings, so this will be name one and its value. This will be awesome, and then I will have another name, name 2. This is the key and its value Peter, and we will have another key, name 3, and its value Tom. We can also determine if a dictionary is empty. The built-in function length len returns the number of key value pairs in a dictionary. Let's pass our dictionary to len function and also print the result. Print our len function and pass in names and just save and run. And our dictionary's length is 3. We can use a dictionary as a condition to determine if it's empty. A non-empty dictionary evaluates to true. Let's see if I'm going to use a if condition. We can type in if names. That means if names are not empty, we are just going to print names are not empty. Else we are going to print that names is empty, our dictionary. Else print names are empty. Just gonna save and run. Our names are not empty because we have key value pairs. An empty dictionary evaluates to false. We can call method clear to delete the dictionary's key value pair and call the same code again, the if else condition. First I'm going to call clear on our dictionary names dot clear. This will delete our key value pair. I will just gonna copy from here, starting from if. And now we should get names are empty. Let's see. And now we get this message, names are empty. Now we will learn how to iterate through a dictionary. We are going to use for statement to iterate through our names key value pairs. Dictionary method item will return each key value pair as a tuple, which we will unpack into name and well. Let's see how to do it. I'm just gonna close this terminal. This would be for name and well in names dot items, and then we are going to use print f, and this will be name, and just going to print the value for this key. Name. Well, and just save and run our script. I will move this one before we clear our key value pair in the previous over here before this one, this statement. And just gonna save and run. And here are our key value pairs by using for statement. We can also access the value associated with the key by using a syntax like this. We can use dictionary names, and then we can pass in into our square brackets the key. For example, name 2. This will print the value of key name 2. And here we are going to print and here is the value printed for that key. We can also update the value of an existing key value pair. We can update keys associate value in an assignment statement. We are going to change value of name 2 and then going to print it again. Names name 2, and it's set to new value. Mike. And now print the name again. Names. Just gonna print the whole dictionary. and just run. And we can see the updated value for the key name too. We can also add a new key value pair. We can assign a value to non-existent key by inserting the key value pair in our dictionary. Let's see, add another name to our dictionary, such as names, and this will be names 4, and its value we're going to set to John. And now we can just print our dictionary and check that. And here is for the names for this should be name and its value John. So I'm just gonna remove the extra s from here. Just save it. We can also delete a key value pair from a dictionary with the delete statement del. Let's delete our name 1 using del names and the key name 1 and just run, and name 1 key and its value is removed from our dictionary. We can also remove a key value pair with the dictionary method pop, which returns the value for the removed key. I will use names.pop, and we are going to pass in the key name 4, name 4, and run our script, and name 4 key and value also removed from our dictionary. We can also test whether a dictionary contains a specific key by using operators in and not in, which can determine whether a dictionary contains a specified key. Let's try with over here. I already move 1 and 4. Let's try with the name 2. We will check name 2 in our key name 2 in names, and we can directly print this one or save as a result. I'll just go ahead and print it. Print. Yeah. Save. And we get the result as a true because our dictionary contained that key. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel. Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.